Hello, it's Elena Gordon, broker of record Remax Gordon Group Realty, and today we're going to talk about the stats from Toronto Real Estate Board for November 2024. Let's start from the economic indicators. And as you can see, real GDP growth is down. Toronto employment growth is up. Toronto unemployment rate is flat. It was flat last month too. Inflation rate is little bit up at 2% now. Bank of Canada overnight rate is 3.8%. Prime rate at 6% in major Canadian banks. We waiting for central bank announcement overnight rate next week, Wednesday, December 11th. Everyone expecting it to go a little bit more down, but let's see. Next, we have a total residential transaction, and here we have the best months ever for this year. We sold 40% more to compare to November last year. This was after the rates start to go down and inflation is down. Buyers got more confident and they start to buy inventory. If you look on the seasonal adjustments, November this year compared to October last year, it was just 1.9% more transaction we did, because last month, October, it was a great month too. As a result, we start to sell more and market gets more tighter, so the average price went up. Combine all areas, it went up by 2.6% compared to November last year. Seasonal adjustments, we don't have much change, just 0.5%. And last month in October, we had a great market too. Next, we have a new listings. We have just 6.6% more new listings that came to the market in November this year. It's actually not a big number, and it's good because we start to sell inventory what we have, and we don't have oversupply of the listings. As a result, the price, they should go more up because the rate is more favorable now to the buyers and inflation is staying down. We expect better market next year. Days on the market, we have a 25.6% more days for the listing to get sold compared to November last year, and we explained that we have more inventory than last year because kind of this year was just accumulating more and more listings. Now, my favorite slide, sales and average price by major home types. And here we compare 416 area and 905 area and different home types. And as you can see, the best result for the price increase we have for detached houses in 416 area. They're up by 5.9%. And we have to point here that in 416 area, we have more expensive land. That's why the house is more expensive, but price went up. Usually the main engine for the market is supply and demand. That means demand goes higher for the Toronto area. And 905 area for detached houses has a good result too. It's 2.8%. Semi-detached houses 2.8% in 416 area and 0.8% in 905 area. The worst performance we can see for condo apartments in 905 area. The price dropped by 7.6%. If you want to buy a condo for your kids right now and 905 area is fits for you, you will get the best deals because the price went down in that area a lot. you can notice that townhomes in 416 area went down by 6.1%, right? And you might ask, why is it? Because semi-detached house went up by 2.8%. I will explain that. Before in Toronto area we had more semi-detached houses, and just recently they start to build up, so we have more townhomes, and usually they're stuck townhouses because the land is more expensive. Usually new constructions, they're more expensive. That's why townhouses, they're just more expensive by itself than semi-detached, more older properties, and we still have affordability problem, right? That's why the semi-detached houses, they are more cheaper and they're more affordable for most of people. That's why demand for that type of property is higher. That's why the price went up by 2.8%. But if we look on townhomes in 905 area, they still went up by 2.7%, because in 905 area, the land is not too expensive compared to 416 areas. They're cheaper to buy, and because of that, the price went up by 2.7%. Now, let's just summarize what we have for the market stats. Inflation went a little bit up, it's 2%. The interest rate is still low, and we expect to have more drops in interest rate. So it gets more buyers to the market because it gives them more affordability and they start to buy. And because we have a more demand, we selling more in our inventory getting low. That's why the prices go up. But still the prices actually depends of the type of the property. It depends of what area we are selling. We still have a good pockets where we can get a good deals for you. So if you are looking to buy, I guess it's a good time to start now, and at least start to get you plan, like with your rate, where you buy, what you buy, and let's get you ready. If you get good deal, you can do it now, or get ready for the better inventory, because usually we have more homes coming to the market after New Year. Get ready, and it's going to be good year, and it's going to be good market. And if you like our video, just give us a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next month for another market update.